What if I told you there's a tool that can turn your simple photos into something extraordinary? A tool that can merge two pictures like magic, change backgrounds in seconds, and even make your edits look like they were done in Photoshop, but without the stress. This tool is called Nano Banana, and it's currently one of the most talked about apps online. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step through everything it can do from basic edits to advanced tricks, so by the end, you'll know exactly how to unlock its full power. In order to use Nano Banana, there are different ways you can access it, but today, we'll be going in through Google AI Studio. First, open your Chrome browser and type in Google AI Studio. Sign in using your Google account. This is important because it allows you to save all the work you've done on the platform. Once you're in, click on Generate Media and you'll see Nano Banana appear. Go ahead and click on Nano Banana. Now, click on the plus sign to upload the image you want to work with. Here, I'll be uploading a photo of a young black woman whose outfit I want to change. Inside the prompt box, I'll type, change her outfit into a luxury red gown. Alright, let's go ahead and generate our first image. Within just a few seconds, boom, Nano Banana has given us this result. And honestly, this is super cool. Look at how the hairstyle remains the same, the face is untouched, and even the position of the body hasn't shifted. Nano Banana did all that while still changing the outfit into a luxury red gown. But here's the thing, because the original photo had her hands in her trouser pockets, the AI also kept her hands inside the gown pockets. That doesn't look quite right, so here's what we'll do. We'll update our prompt to tell Nano Banana to remove her hands from the pockets and instead make her stand with a striking pose. Now let's generate it again. And wow, Nano Banana nailed it. From her head to her skin tone, even the background, everything stayed exactly the same. The only difference? The pose is fixed, and she now looks absolutely stunning in that red gown. This is our first polished result, and you can see how amazing it island. Now, let's try something even more amazing. Here, I have an old picture of a mother and her daughter. You can tell it looks faded, the lighting isn't bright, the quality isn't clean, almost like it was snapped years ago with a low-resolution camera. So let's upload this picture into Nano Banana. For the prompt, I'll type, restore this picture to 4K quality in 2025. Now, watch closely. A few seconds later, boom. Nano Banana instantly recreated this photo in stunning clarity. Look at the difference, the background is the same. The details on the mother's face and the daughter's face are perfectly preserved, but everything is brighter, sharper, and absolutely beautiful. This is unbelievable. You can literally take your old photos and make them look brand new. Honestly, this is super amazing. This is clean. I've not seen any AI that restores pictures like this before. Now, here's the next mind-blowing thing you can do with Nano Banana. Have you ever wondered if AI could actually create advertisement photos? Well, let's test it. We're going to upload a picture of this woman and then a photo of a Coca-Cola can. For the prompt, we'll type, make her hold the Coca-Cola can as if she's doing an advertisement. And boom, Nano Banana instantly generated her holding the Coca-Cola can. This is super cool. But let's take it a step further. This time, I want her to stretch her hand toward the camera so the Coca-Cola can pops right in front like a real ad while she's smiling with her other hand on her hip. Now, I'll type in that prompt and click generate. And wow, just look at this. This looks so professional, it could literally pass for an advertisement photo. Clean, realistic, and powerful. With Nano Banana, you don't need a whole production team to create ad visuals, you can do it in seconds. Now, let's push Nano Banana even further with something extra amazing. We're going to take this photo of the woman on a plain white background and tell Nano Banana to change the background into a trendy urban cafe setting with blurred lights, while keeping the woman crystal clear and sharp, without changing a single detail about her. Click Generate, and boom, just look at this. Nano Banana nailed it. The woman stays exactly the same, but the background transforms into a stylish cafe vibe. The blurred lights give it that professional depth of field effect you'd expect from a high-end camera. This looks like it came straight out of a lifestyle magazine. Absolutely stunning. So far, we've seen Nano Banana restore old photos, create ad-style images, and even swap backgrounds. But what if I told you Nano Banana can also turn reality into pure imagination? For this next one, I'll upload a picture of a beautiful lady. Now, instead of editing her outfit or background, we're going to do something magical. We'll ask Nano Banana to transform her into a Disney Pixar-style cartoon with big, expressive eyes, glossy, smooth skin, and that magical lighting you always see in animated movies. Let's generate it and see what happens. Wow! Just look at this result. Nano Banana completely nailed it. The shiny, expressive eyes, the glossy skin, even the lipstick looks flawless. Everything is super clean and smooth, just like a real Pixar animation. And what's even more impressive is that it kept her outfit the same, but transformed the entire background into this magical Disney world. This is absolutely beautiful. It doesn't just look like an edit, it looks like a scene straight out of a Disney movie. I can't believe how good this is. Everything we've done so far has been amazing. But what if I told you Nano Banana can take two completely different pictures and merge them together so perfectly that it looks like they were taken at the same time? For this next one, I'll upload a picture of a man and then another picture of a woman. Now here's the magic. I'm going to tell Nano Banana to place this stylish man and woman side by side, walking confidently on a glamorous red carpet. They should be holding hands, smiling naturally, with photographers and fans in the background. The crowd should be slightly out of focus, while the main spotlight stays on the man and woman. Let's go ahead and generate it. Oh my goodness, just look at this result. It's flawless. They actually look like they attended the event together. The man and woman are walking side by side, holding hands, looking elegant and confident. The flashing lights, the blurred fans in the background, the red carpet vibe, everything feels so realistic, like a true Hollywood premiere. You'd never believe these were two completely different pictures. Nano Banana literally brought them together in one frame. This is next level. Honestly, this tool is super powerful. Now, let's do something explosive, literally. I'll upload this image of a car and tell Nano Banana to transform it into a Hollywood-style VFX scene. The prompt will be, make this car appear as if it's on fire, with natural blazing flames engulfing the body and smoke rising into the night sky. Keep the street intact, but add a glowing reflection of the fire on the ground. The flames should look thick and intense, just like in an action movie. Let's hit generate and see what happens. Wow, just look at that. The fire looks real, the smoke looks powerful, and the glowing reflection on the ground makes it feel like a full Hollywood production. And here's where it gets even crazier. Now, imagine pairing this with an AI video generator. Just picture it, the same car, moving forward with blazing fire all around it. The flames dancing, the smoke rising, everything moving so realistically, like a Hollywood action movie chase scene. This is mind-blowing. Absolutely mind-blowing. Though I noticed just a tiny thing: if you've already generated an image before and you don't start a fresh chat, sometimes it might repeat an old outfit or detail from your earlier prompt. For example, When I uploaded my channel avatar and asked it to change the outfit, it mistakenly used the luxurious red gown from before. But once I re-uploaded the correct outfit and clarified, it fixed it right away. Nothing major, just something to keep in mind. And the exciting part is, as of recent, this tool is totally free. I kept generating different things without any limitation. So grab it while it's still free and go crazy creating your own projects. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and drop a comment. It really means a lot and helps more people discover this. Also, let me know in the comments where you're watching from. I'd love to know. I already have lots of tutorials on my channel about different AI tools and video generators that will help you, so go through my channel and check them out. I'll see you in the next one.